this will be a kind of intro level practice to the refinement of the awareness of the chakras. And specifically, we have Muladhara at the root, Svadhisthana at the sacrum, Manipura at the solar plexus, Anahata at the heart, Vishuddha at the throat, and Agya chakra at the third eye. So we have the 6 here in the subtle body that we're working. And then we have the bija mantras associated with them. Lam, Vam, Ram, Yam, Hum, Om. Okay? So, with those chakras in our awareness, we'll open with a practice of toning into the chakras. So go ahead and find a comfortable seat. And close the eyes. Bring your awareness to the base of the spine. And we're going to tone the bija mantras from the root going up to the third eye, and then from the third eye going down to the root. So a total of 12 tones. We'll start with Lam at the root. So you can inhale into the base, breathing deeply in. And then tone the sound Lam. Now inhale up to the sacrum, preparing for Vam. Solar plexus, inhale for Ram, R-A-M. Heart for Yam, inhaling. Throat for Hum. Third eye for Om, Aum. Inhale. Keep your awareness in your third eye. Aum. Inhale. Throat, hum, we're going back down. Yum. Rum, solar plexus. Vam at the sacrum. Root, tailbone, lam. Rest for a moment with your eyes closed. Spinal breathe. Inhale and exhale up and down the spine. Pass through each of the chakras. We're going to do a couple kriyas now, following up to continue purifying the chakras. You can keep your eyes closed. We've just brought our awareness to each of those points. Now we're going to send our breath through each of those points. We'll start with Kapalabhati Kriya, okay? 36 breaths. Each breath, we strike the chakras. We'll do 3 at a time going up and 3 at a time going down for a total of 36 breaths. Sharp, quick exhale through your nose. Passive inhale to your belly to prepare. Kapalabhati Kriya in the chakras, 36 breaths, and begin at the root. Sacrum, belly, heart, throat, third eye, throat, heart, belly, sacrum, root, and exhale all the way out. Now stick out the tongue. With the tongue out, apply Uddiyana Bandha. You're going to look up. Belly is pulling in with Uddiyana. And then inhale slowly as you draw the breath in. Pull it down to the base. Tongue is behind the 2 front teeth. Eyes are focused upward. Get to the top of the inhale. And then seal and hold the breath. Bring the chin to the chest. Mahabandha. For 3, 2, release the chin. 1, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now, breathe in deeply. At the top of the inhale, hold the breath. Switch the cross of the legs. As your breath is held, you're going to switch. So you change your seat. So the opposite leg is on top. And then exhale once you arrive there. Now, Kapalabhati Kriya, round 2. Same thing. Refining our awareness of each of the chakras. Passive inhale to your belly. Starting at the root. Begin. Sacrum. Belly. Heart. Throat. Third eye. Third eye. Throat. Heart. Belly. Sacrum. Root. Exhale. Tongue out. Uddiyana. Look up. Inhale. Uddiyana maintained. Draw the breath to the root. Hold and seal. Mahabandha. Release the chin. Exhale slow. Maintain the posture. Inhale and exhale. From the root to the third eye and back down. Now, Bastrika Kriya, same sort of thing, but the inhale and exhale are both equal in their force. Use this to penetrate through the chakras back and forth with each breath. Okay, so like Kapalabhati, it's like you're throwing a dart at a dartboard. Bastrika is like almost like you're scrubbing through the chakra, okay? Prepare with a passive inhale, 36 breaths. Bastrika Kriya in the chakras, and begin. Sacrum. Belly. Heart. Throat. Third eye. Third eye. Throat. Heart. Belly. Sacrum. Root. Exhale. Tongue out, Uddiyana. Lift the chin, inhale. Draw the breath in like a thread. Bring it into your base. Once you've filled up, hold it there. Seal, Mahabandha. And exhale slow. Distribute through your body the energy. Inhale and exhale. So now, breathe in and breathe out. Center yourself. Breathe in. Breathe out. Work the limbs just like you've been doing. Inhale. Exhale. End of this exhale, Uddiyana. Ready? Uddiyana. Work the limbs. Thread the breath in. Same thing. Exhale. Uddiyana. Work the limbs. Inhale. Again. Uddiyana. Now we're adding a Kumbaka at the top. So inhale, top of the inhale, hold and seal, chin to chest, work the limbs, exhale slow. Guide your way in to Uddiyana. Thread the breath in. Hold and seal. Work the limbs. Exhale slow. Guide your way in to Uddiyana. Same thing. Mahabandha. Red chakra, release. Kumbaka Uddiyana. Puraka, fill. Mahabandha, seal. Rechaka, release. Uddiyana, Kumbaka. Puraka, fill. Thread the breath. Work the limbs. Mahabandha, hold and seal. Rechaka, release. Uddiyana, Kumbaka. 3 more like that on your own. Last one. Uddiyana. Inhale. Release the Kumbaka at the top. Exhale for 12. Slow. Keep exhaling. Inhale for 6. Exhale for 12. Tongue behind the 2 front teeth. Stable in your posture. Inhale 6. Exhale 12. Inhale 6. We're going to hold at the top for 6. Hold for 6, Mahabandha. Exhale 12. We're now ready for Nadi Shodhana. With your right hand, index finger and middle finger, touch the third eye, close your right nostril, inhale through your left. Hold, close both nostrils. Open your right nostril, exhale 12 through your right. Same thing. Inhale through left for 6. Hold. Exhale right for 12. Inhale left for 6. Hold. Exhale right for 12. Work your posture, work your seat. Now, inhale through the right for 6. Hold. Inhale left for 12. Exhale left for 12. Inhale right for 6. Hold. Exhale left for 12. Stay with the rhythm of the breath. One more. Inhale right for 6. Hold. Exhale left for 12. Now we're going to put it together. Keep the left nostril open. Inhale left for 6. Hold. Exhale right for 12. Inhale right for 6. Hold. Exhale left for 12. Two more rounds like that. Inhale left for 6. Hold. Exhale right for 12. Work your limbs, work your legs. Inhale right for 6. Hold. Exhale left for 12. Final round. Inhale left for 6. Hold. Exhale right for 12. Inhale right for 6. Hold. Exhale left for 12. Release the right hand. Inhale for 6. Both nostrils. Hold for 6. Exhale 12. Now, allow the prana to guide you. Inhale for as long as comfortable. Don't worry about how long it is. When you get to the top of the breath, hold and seal. Don't worry about for how long. Just make it comfortable. And then when you're ready to release, exhale and release. Again, don't worry about how long. Just follow the prana, follow the energy you've built to this point. Just follow and trust. Continue for another minute or 2 minutes in silence together. Trust the inner guidance. Follow the energy flow. Follow the current that you've established. Keep withdrawing your awareness into the center. One more breath cycle. Let the breath become very subtle. Start to release control of the breath completely. Just let it do its thing. The wood block will be turned off. Sit quietly, absorbed on the inside with the light that's coming in through the breath. When you're ready, you can inhale and you can bring your palms to prayer. The thumbs will touch the third eye. Hold the breath for a moment in the third eye and bless yourself, bless your life, bless your path, bless all the relations that you have, that we have. As you exhale, slide the hands down prayer to the earth. Give thanks to our beautiful earth, all the abundance that she provides. And then a prayer to everyone and everything to go and be at peace and enjoy the harmony of yoga as a path to realize that harmony. Have a really great day, everybody. Thanks for training your breath with me today. I look forward to seeing you all for more soon.